Once a close aide and former lawyer of Donald Trump, Michael Cohen appeared at the Manhattan courthouse and testified in the Trump hush money case. Cohen, during his testimony, said that the former president had ordered him to pay the adult film actress Stormy Daniels. He remembered Trump saying, "Just do it," to ensure Daniels' silence in the alleged 2006 sexual encounter.
Remember this, all over the world they're watching this trial and they're seeing what a disgrace this is, and a big disgrace to New York. You know, I love this state, I love this city, and they've got to get it back. They've got to get the legal system back, because businesses are leaving, people are fleeing, but businesses are leaving because they can't go through what I'm going through.
Cohen, who worked for decades as Trump's fixer, answered the question of prosecutors for 9 hours. Cohen spoke in detail about the hush money scheme and the payment of the $130,000 to Stormy Daniels before the 2016 elections. Cohen was later questioned by Donald Trump's lawyer, who accused the star witness of lying at the former US president's trial about a phone conversation he claimed to have had with Trump about a hush money payment to Daniels shortly before the 2016 presidential elections. Trump's lawyer Todd Blanche said that the phone conversation was about harassment from a prank caller and not, as Cohen had asserted in previous testimony, about $130,000 payment that bought the silence of porn star Stormy Daniels at the center of the month-long trial. Republicans rallied behind Trump.
You know what? They prosecute politicians if they use campaign funds to buy a suit. If they say, go get a haircut, if you use campaign funds to get a haircut because you want to look good to the voters, they will actually prosecute you for using campaign funds for a personal expense. Yet the entire legal theory of this case, the whole case that Alvin Bragg has brought, depends on one premise for them to charge this as a felony, is that Donald Trump somehow should have used campaign funds to make an allegedly personal payment. Yet if he had done that, their case against him would be even stronger. This is garbage. That is the best proof that you have that if they're going to get him Cohen or get him coming, it's damned if you do, damned if you don't. This is a sham.
I'm an attorney. I'm a former litigator myself. I am disgusted by what is happening here. What is being done here to our entire system of justice overall. The people are losing faith right now in this country, in our institutions. They're losing faith in our system of justice. And the reason for that is because they see it being abused as it is being done here in New York.
Cohen, once a Trump loyalist, had claimed that he could take a bullet for his boss. This makes him an important witness of the prosecution. Prosecutors also said that Trump had paid Cohen back after the election and hid the reimbursements by creating false records indicating that they were for legal fees. Those reimbursements provide the basis for the 34 counts of falsifying business records that Trump faces.